Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can stop or pause or turn off backup in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. You can automatically save your photos to your Google account when you turn on the backup, and of course Google Photos is the cloud storage service for saving your photos and videos, for which this backup works. Now, for some reason you might not want to automatically save them, and that's perfectly fine, and you have a couple of ways to do it, which I will go over now. This is only possible on mobile phones. On computers you do not need to enable or disable backup. You can only manually upload photos and videos from your PC or from anywhere else. You can also check a photo's backup status, if it's backed up or not. However, on PC you cannot turn on automatic backup. You can, however, on mobile phones. And if we go into the Android section, as you can see here, what you need to do is first make sure everything is backed up. For example, it can take a while to back up things depending on internet connection and size. So once everything is backed up, only turn off the backup after that. To back things up or to turn backup off, you need to go into your Google Photos app, sign into your account, tap your profile picture or initial, go into backup and turn backup off. The same is pretty much done in iPhone and iPad, so that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.